I'm Miguel Cardona, U.S. Secretary of Education. Thank you for the opportunity to address the 9,000 delegates who make up the National Education Association Representative Assembly. Together you reflect the rich diversity of all 50 states. I know firsthand the joys and challenges of being an educator. I've worked as a teacher, a principal, administrator, and commissioner of education. Even more importantly, I'm a father to Miguel Jr. and Celine, 2 high school students, and husband to Marissa, family school liaison. Every single person who touches children's lives through school changes children's lives. So I want to begin by thanking all the teachers, bus drivers, school counselors, food service workers, custodians, teachers' assistants, and others who make a lasting, positive impact on our children every day. This year was challenging and often heartbreaking. We feared for the safety of our families, our students, and our communities, but you've shown resilience every step of the way. You adapted to new models of instruction and went above and beyond to offer resources and support to your students and their families. Thank you. Thank you for your commitment to America's learners, this year and every year. I'm proud that the federal government under the Biden-Harris administration has provided unprecedented resources to support students and educators in reopening schools for in-person learning and rebuilding our education system stronger and more equitable than it was before the pandemic. With $130 billion from the American Rescue Plan to reopen our K-12 schools and historic proposals like the American Families Plan, which will allow us to address long-standing gaps in educational opportunity, this is our moment to make our education system work for all students and for all educators. I often say, en la unión está la fuerza. In unity, there's strength. Know that in me and in this administration, you have strong advocates for public education. I'm convinced that we can forge transformational progress from these tough times and emerge stronger if we, together, reflect on the lessons this time has taught us and use those lessons to improve and enrich the educational experience for all students. We must be intentional about our collaboration. To make this vision a reality, your leadership matters more than ever. Together, we will champion excellence in our nation's public schools. Together, we will partner with communities and families to build equitable systems so all students have what they need to thrive in school. We'll address achievement disparities and access to educational opportunity, those revealed by the COVID-19 pandemic and those that have existed long before it. And together, we will amplify educator voices and elevate the education profession so our society sees education for what it is, the foundation of all other opportunities. Finally, I invite you and your families to get vaccinated for COVID-19 this summer. Getting vaccinated is one of the most important things you can do to stop the spread of the virus, to keep your community safe, and to get kids back into school full time. Thank you for all you do for our students, for our communities, and for our country. Have a productive assembly. I look forward to working together on the path ahead.